Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we are going to be talking about this P0868 transmission fluid pressure low OBD code. If you guys have this, you guys probably have a check engine light, put in an OBD2 scanner, scanned it, and got this code. Chances are your transmission is probably shifting kind of weird. But let's talk about this and let's try to fix your problem. So again, P0868 indicates that the transmission fluid pressure has some kind of issue. Although a high transmission fluid can be also a potential problem, as well as low transmission fluid. And this code pretty much indicates that the transmission fluid pressure is low. You should definitely make sure to check that it's not high, and there is a specific code for the transmission pressure being too high, which is a P0869, but it could actually trigger this code as well, strangely enough. So if you guys don't know, your transmission has transmission fluid in the transmission, and it essentially allows your vehicle to shift gears. Without that fluid, you wouldn't be able to shift your gears, or you're going to have trouble shifting your gears. It provides lubrication, helps to cool the engine as well. And while you might think that low transmission fluid would only be a problem for lubrication purposes, it in fact has a large impact on your vehicle's function overall. It's important to keep that level as accurate as possible. So if you guys have this code, obviously you're gonna get a check engine light, and it's one of the most obvious things, especially if you actually don't see or feel any kind of significant issues with your transmission. Always important to check that check engine light to make sure that you don't destroy your vehicle, just in case that situation gets worse than it could. So you might want to see issues. You might also have issues with gear shifting, including gears slipping or the gears not shifting at all, and the transmission might also start overheating, which probably could cause damage to your transmission, obviously. And some cars will also switch the engine into limp mode to avoid further damage. So let's talk about the causes of this code and how you guys can fix it. Yeah, it could mean that, well, it could mean simplest cause of this could mean that your transmission level is too low. It could be caused by transmission fuel leaks. However, if you guys do have fluid leaks, transmission fluid leaks, obviously you guys gonna have to put in more transmission fluid and fixing transmission and refilling it. The code could also mean that you might have dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, which won't function as well. So maybe you guys would need some kind change to transmission fluid, and this issue could probably be caused by a defective temperature or pressure sensor for the transmission fluid, or failure of the pressure pump, or even a faulty PCM. Although this is very uncommon. You guys probably want to know how serious this code is, and let's just say this code is terminally serious for your car, because obviously the transmission is one of the major parts of your vehicle. Probably one of the two major parts, maybe like one of the three major parts of your vehicle: your engine, your transmission, and the frame, overall frame of your vehicle. You definitely want to get that code checked out. You definitely want to make sure that your transmission fluid is the right level. If it is the right level, you definitely want to make sure that your transmission fluid pump is working, and that you probably get you want to check out to make sure the transmission fluid is dirty. Maybe change out the filter, transmission fluid filter, transmission fluid, etc., etc. And if you guys have this problem, you guys wondering whether you guys should still be driving this vehicle with this problem, definitely do not drive a vehicle with this issue, because it A, could probably have drivability issues, and B, if it doesn't have drivability issue, drive it enough with this code, with this issue, it's going to have drivability issue, and it's going to have drivability issue to the point where you won't be able to fix it if you guys keep on driving it with this problem. Guys, I hope this has cleared this up for you guys. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.